A look at wandering in people with dementia. If you have a loved one who has been diagnosed with dementia, you may eventually need to seek senior and home care assistance. As dementia progresses, patients may no longer be able to feed, clothe, or bathe themselves, and they are at a higher risk of falls, illnesses, injuries, and wandering away from familiar areas. Here is a look at wandering in people with dementia. What increases the risk of wandering? If your loved one can no longer remember things accurately, he may be at risk of wandering. Any dementia patient who is mobile, even those who are in the earliest stages of dementia, may become disoriented and confused. Once a doctor has given your loved one a diagnosis of dementia, you should begin planning ahead to lower his risk of wandering and injuries. An elderly in-home care specialist can provide home care assistance that may lower this risk. What are the warning signs of wandering? You should also keep an eye out for the early warning signs of wandering. Speak to your loved one's doctor about hiring a senior and home care aide if your loved one begins returning from scheduled activities later than usual, is restless, has trouble locating familiar rooms or places, appears lost in a new environment, or makes repetitive movements or motions with no purpose. Your loved one may also say that he wants to go home, or to another familiar place, when he is already there. How can you prevent wandering? You can prevent wandering by working closely with your loved one's doctor to track and recognize patterns and changes in behavior. You should also be aware of when it is necessary to hire a home care aide or home care assistance. A senior and home caregiver can monitor your loved one's activities, assist with medication reminders and chores, and ensure that your loved one remains safe and cared for. If you're interested in learning more about in-home assistance in Phoenix, Arizona, for a loved one with dementia, come see us at Endeavor Senior and Home Care. Our experienced, compassionate in-home caregivers will help you determine what level of in-home assistance your loved one needs. Call us today at 584-6162 to speak with a caregiver today.